Hi everyone! Today I will be doing an unstuffing and condensing video. I have been in my comfiest sweaters lately, even though it's technically still summer, but I'm really excited for fall, so I feel like I've mentioned that in every video. But my binders are, well, some of my envelopes and my binders are getting kind of stuffed, so we're just gonna do a condensing, and then I need to bring the money back for my emergency fund back to the bank. So let's get started. So we're gonna automatically take out all the money from my emergency fund envelope so we can refund the $1,000 in my high yield savings account. So we're taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 640 back to the bank. So let me put the 100 over here. The 15 over here, and then the 20 over here. Okay, so this should be empty for now, but we should have a $1,000 placeholder that we're going to leave in here. That's going to be in our high yield emergency fund. Okay, next up. This is good. This is good. Therapy, I definitely want to unstuff because it's just all ones and the envelope is getting very full. It has $18 in here. So, we'll come back to this one. But I'm just going to unstuff it all together and try to put in $18. Let's see for investments. Maybe I can take that out as well. That's $13, so never mind. Okay, so let's check our low priority. We'll come back to our high priority. For low priority, car registration inspection has $22, so we can definitely take that out and just do $2. Take out the 5, take out the 10, and put a 20 right here. So it's still going to have 21, 22. Perfect. Okay, so I have, let's see what I can do here for books. I have 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So not much we can do here. 8, 9, yeah, not much we can do here with books. Let's try Nintendo Switch games. Let's see what we can do here. We have 20, 40, 50, 61. So let's see. We can definitely do a 50. So 50, 61 for our Nintendo Switch games. Okay, so let's check horseback riding. There's not much we can do here for that as well. It's $110. Okay. Nothing for fitness. Beauty's all 10s. I don't think I wanna do anything for that. Hold on. I do have 2 5s, so maybe I can just trade that in for a 10. Okay, so this is where I realized that my audio cut off, but so I'm just going to do a quick voiceover, or try my best to do a voiceover. But anyway, so that's that on that. For nothing for shopping and clothing, for birthdays, I am taking out nothing for birthdays. Next up, oh wait, I'm changing out the 2 10s for a 20 for birthdays. And condensing that. Next up is Christmas. Okay, so we have 50, 100, 150, 160, 170, 171. Okay, so I'm seeing what I can condense with that. Taking 100 and putting away the 250s. Taking out the 5s and switching it for a $20 bill. And gonna recount it. I should have 100, 150, 160, wait, 171, sorry, 171. Okay, yearly subscriptions. I am taking out a 50 and putting away the 20 and the 10. So I should have $51 for yearly subscriptions. And then travel. I'll definitely be condensing that. I'm taking out a 20. And putting away all the 1s. So I just have one $20 bill for travel. Nothing for the rest of my envelopes, and that is everything in my low priority binder. So far so good. Okay, so we are going back into our high priority sinking funds. We're checking medical and doctor's appointments, nothing with that. For water bill, nothing with that. Actually, I'm pretty sure I went back to water bill and condensed that as well, but I just didn't show that in this video. And for therapy, we are putting the money back for therapy that we took out earlier. And we have $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 so far for therapy. Everything. Now we're going in with our debt binder. Let's see, we're going to do credit card envelope first. We have $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $640. Oh, $660. $660, which we're going to take out. We're going to do 150 and 110. Yep, 150 and 110. We're going to put away the 20s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 660. And that is all we can condense into our credit card envelope. Okay, now we're going to check our personal loan envelope. And we're going to see what we can condense with that. We're taking out $100 bill. I'm going to put away the 50. We put away the 20s. Yep, we're going to put away the 5s. And then we're going to check our 1s. We have 100, and we should be taking out 20. Okay. Whew. Oh, wow, that took so long. Okay. We have 100, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 138. I was taking a while to count that up. Yes, girl, you should have 138. Okay, back in my personal loan envelope. Here's, alright, closing that up. And now we're going to double check that we have all the money that we have from our emergency fund that we're going to take back into the bank. Okay, so I have 200. Plus 200, $400. Plus 100, $500. 20, 40, 50. Plus 50, 550. Plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. $600. A whole lot of ones. Oh my. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 640. Perfect. And that is the exact amount that I need to replenish my emergency fund and bring that back to my high yield savings account. Back to $1,000. And once I add that money back, it should be a little more than $1,000, especially since I still contribute to my emergency fund in every pay period. So, yep, that is beautiful and perfect. And I think that is everything I have for you guys today. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye!